Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 13 percentage in that exercise 13b. So let's discuss homework answers first. First question, find in that F 45% of 900 meters. The answer is 405 meter. Okay, next G 80% of rupees 1200. The answer is 960. H 37.5% of 140 kilogram. The answer is 52.5 kilogram. Next I 140% of rupees 1500. It is rupees 2100. The second question, express in that H 250 gram as a percentage of 2 kilogram. The answer is 12.5%. Next I 75 paise as a percentage of rupees 4. The answer is 18.75%. Next J 24 centimeter as a percentage of 2.5 meter. The answer is 9.6%. Now third question, in a class 10% of the students failed in maths. There are 50 students in the class. Find how many students failed in maths. Also find the number of students who passed in maths. So in total there are 50 students in a class. Okay. Out of that 50 students, 10% of the students failed in maths. Okay. So here what you need to find, how many students, the number of students who failed in maths, that you need to find first. Okay, then next find the number of students who passed in maths. So what number of students who passed? Okay, so 10% of students failed means 10% of 50 students failed in maths. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു ക്ലാസ്സിൽ 50 സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. ആ 50 സ്റ്റുഡൻസിൻ്റെ 10% ആണ് മാത്സിൽ ഫെയിൽഡ് ആയത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഹു ഫെയിൽഡ് ഇൻ മാത്സ്, എത്ര നമ്പർ ഓഫ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ആണ് മാത്സിൽ ഫെയിൽഡ് ആയി എന്നുള്ളത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ 10% ഓഫ് 50 യു ഹാവ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് ഓഫ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഹു ഫെയിൽഡ് ഇൻ മാത്സ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ഗിവൺ 10%. Total number of students it is 50. So number of students who failed in maths, how can you find? It is 10% of 50. Okay, 10% of total students. That is 10% of 50. How can you find 10% of 50? 10% means 10 by 100. We can write it like this. 10% we can write as 10 by 100 of. We can replace it by multiplication sign. Okay, now 50. Now 100 and 50 will go in 50. 50 division 51, 100 division 50 it is 2. Now 10 by 2 it is 5. So number of students who failed in maths it is 5 students. Okay, so if you know out of 50, 5 students failed in maths. So what is the number of students who passed in maths? How can you find? Subtract. From the total number of students, you can subtract the number of students who failed. Okay, you will get the number of students who passed in maths. So 50 minus 5, you will get 45 students passed in maths. Okay, 45 students passed in maths and 5 students failed in maths. In total, you will get 45 plus 5, 50 only you will get. Okay. Now, fourth question. A basket contains 2 dozen mangoes. 25% of the mangoes are bad. Find the number of good mangoes. So, in a basket, there are 2 dozen mangoes. Okay. Out of that 2 dozen mangoes, 25% mangoes, 25% of the mangoes are bad. You have to find here the number of good mangoes. Okay, what is the number of good mangoes? So how can you write the steps? Number of mangoes in a basket, it is given 2 dozen. Okay, 2 dozen means 1 dozen, it is 12. Okay, 1 dozen, it is 12. So what will be 2 dozen? 2 into 12, it is 24. Okay, so number of mangoes in a basket, it is 24. Okay, next it is given percentage of mangoes which are bad. It is 25%. Out of this 24 mangoes in the basket, 25% of mangoes are bad. ഒരു ബാസ്ക്കറ്റിൽ 24 മാംഗോസ് ആണ് ടോട്ടൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ, 2 dozen മീൻസ് 24 മാംഗോ. 1 dozen മീൻസ് 12. സോ 2 dozen ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി 2 into 12, 24. ഓക്കെ, ആ 24 മാംഗോസിൽ 25%, ആ 24 മാംഗോസിൻ്റെ 25% ബാഡ് മാംഗോസ് ആണ്. You have to find the number of good mangoes. Number of good mangoes ആണ് ഇവിടെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. പക്ഷെ from the given things what you can find, number of bad mangoes ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റുക. ഓക്കെ, ടോട്ടൽ 24 മാംഗോസ് ഉണ്ട്, അതിൽ 25% ബാഡ് ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എത്ര ബാഡ് മാംഗോസ് ആണ് ആ ബാസ്ക്കറ്റിൽ ഉള്ളത് എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഹൗ? 25% of 24. Okay, it is number of bad mangoes, it is 25% of total mangoes, 24. Okay, you will get the number of bad mangoes, that is 25% of 24. How can you find 25%? You can write 25 by 100 into, of means multiplication, 24. Okay, now 25 and 100 both will go in 25. 25 division 25, it is 1. 100 division 25, 4. Now 24 and 4, it will go in 4. Okay, 4 division 4, 1. 24 division 4, it is 6. So 1 into 6, 6. So number of bad mangoes, it is 6. Out of 24 mangoes, 6 mangoes are bad. So what will be the number of good mangoes? You can subtract. Total 24 mangoes are there. In that 6 mangoes are bad. So good mangoes, it will be 24 minus 6. You will get 18. So 18 mangoes are good. Fifth question. In a quiz competition, Amrit answered 80% of questions correctly. If he was asked 35 questions, how many questions he got correct? So in a quiz competition, total 35 questions were asked to Amrit. Okay, out of that 35 questions, he answered 80% of questions correctly. Okay, so what you need to find here, how many questions he got correct. For how many questions he gave correct answers, that you need to find here. ഒരു ക്യൂസ് കോമ്പറ്റീഷനിൽ 35 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ടോട്ടലായിട്ട് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. ഈ 35 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൻ്റെ 80% ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിനും അമൃത് കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ആൻസർ കൊടുത്തു. സോ അങ്ങനെയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എത്ര ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിനാണ് അമൃത് കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ആൻസേഴ്സ് കൊടുത്തത്, അതാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹൗ ക്യാൻ യു റൈറ്റ് ദ സ്റ്റെപ്സ്? Percentage of questions answered correctly, it is given 80%. Okay, 80% of questions he got correct answer. Now total number of questions, it is given 35. So what you can find from this? Number of questions he got correct. For how many questions he got correct answer? How can you find? Total 35 questions were there. 80% of questions he answered correctly. So number of questions he got correct, it is 80% of 35. Okay, correct. 80% ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിനും കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് കൊടുത്തു. 35 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ടോട്ടലായിട്ട് ചോദിച്ചത്. സോ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, എത്ര നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിനാണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ കൊടുത്തതെന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ 80% of 35. Okay, so that is 80%, it is 80 by 100 into total number of questions, it is 35. Okay, now here 80 and 100 will go in 10. Here 8, here 10. 8 and 10, again it will go in 2. You will get here 4, here 5. Now 5 and 35 will go in 7. Here 7, here 1. So 4 into 7, 28 questions. Okay. So for 28 questions, he got correct answer. Total 35 questions were there. Out of that 35, 28 questions. For 28 questions, he got correct answer. Okay. Sixth question. Abhishek got 684 marks out of 900 marks. Express this as a percentage. So, in total 900 marks, total marks it is 900. Out of that 900, Abhishek got 684. Okay. Express this as a percentage. You have to express this mark Abhishek got as percentage. So, you can write the steps like this. Marks Abhishek got it is 684. Total marks it is 900. So how can you write this in percentage? I mean fraction. It is 684 out of 900. Okay, 900. Out of 900, Abhishek got 684. So in fraction, you can write this as 684 by 900. Okay, now you have to express this fraction as percentage. So how can you express a fraction as a percentage? Just multiply the fraction by 100. Okay, now here 900, 2 zeros, 100, 2 zeros. Now 684 by 9. You can divide 684 by 9. You will get 76. Okay, so 684 by 900 in percentage it is 76%. Okay. Now do the 7th question as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.